Good night, Caillou.
Good night, Dad.
Mr. Properly fasten your seatbelt by the platform. Person into the buckle.
Attendants prepare for departure.
Push, then pull.
Okay, and pull down.
Just a dream. Dad.
What is wrong, Caillou?
Dad, I see something's wrong with me. First airplane starting crash, second bike starting crash, and finally, train starting crash.
Whoa, are you okay?
Yeah.
That's okay. Come here, give me a hug.
Okay.